Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a dessert with raspberries. The preparations are really easy and really fast to make. First of all, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching this video. First you take the raspberries, like 10 or more for decorations on top. Of the other raspberries, you put some sugar and mix it. In another bowl, you put some butter and some yogurt, and you mix it. (150 grams of sugar, and you mix it all together. Let's mount the dessert all together. First you put one layer, then the raspberries that you done before, and on top some yogurt. To decorate it, you can use the raspberries that you took earlier. From all the preparations that we made, we got 2 desserts. The dessert is so good, delicate and fluffy. It's perfect for a summer night or a hangout with friends. If you like this recipe, follow me and tell me in the commentaries what you liked and what do you want to see more. And don't forget to follow my channel. Thank you for watching this video.